guys, we are going to learn how to create these super beautiful, super gorgeous rangolis in today's video. We are going to learn how to make them. They can be arranged in multiple ways and decorated with various kinds of diyas, tea light candles, tea light holders, and you can store them safely for all festivals for the year. So let us get started very quickly. Hi guys, a very warm welcome from RGP Creations. Today we are going to create another type of rangoli. For this I have taken these transparent OHP sheets. So if I put a paper underneath, these are transparent OHP sheets. So you need 3-4 of them, and we'll be creating this multi-purpose rangoli where we'll be creating a circle and a lot of ambis around, so you can arrange it in the way you want. So you need few OHP sheets. Then you need some gota, any kind of gota, and these kind of sticking things. You need moti and different kinds of laces we will be using for doing up this particular type of rangoli. Now as a first step, what I have done is that I have taken a white sheet and I have drawn a circle on it. Now the dimensions of the circle that I have drawn is if I tell you in inches, this is 8 inches diameter, so it is a 4 inches circle, and I have drawn 4 circles to demarcate 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch and 4 inch. Now just take your OHP sheet, put it in the center, put it in such a way that the circle is getting completely covered by the OHP sheet. And now we are going to start decorating it. For this I will be using my hot glue. So right in the center, just apply a little bit of glue, and you can even use, if you don't have a glue gun, you can even use your Fevicol, but it's just going to take a little while to stick. Now after this we are going to put all around. So I have this particular design, and this we are going to put all around. So these lines I have drawn on the base just as a reference point. So just align them to the inner circle. So now we've put it all around, see. Now I have cut my lace part into small, and I'm taking this liquid glue. So I've taken a little bit of liquid glue and I'll be sticking this here. So if you don't have hot glue, you can use this glue. This is easily available at any hardware store and it sticks instantly. So you just have to be careful that this doesn't touch your hands. So this way the center part is done. So now we are going to put this moti ladi all around. For this, just start putting a little bit of the glue. Let me stick this around. See, now I've put moti all around. It's looking very nice now. Now there is this another lace, okay, thin lace, and I'll be putting it. So you can use your hot glue gun and just put the lace. So it's very hot, be really careful. So now I'm taking this golden dory, okay, and I'm putting this. With the glue gun, we'll have to put very little part and stick it. So this way, see, the dory has been done. So now we are going to do beautiful gota work like this. This way. And for the top and bottom side, just put a little glue. This way. We are now going to do on the other two sides. So now that we've made that round center, we are going to make our side. So for making the side piece, I have drawn this paisley or ambi shape. See, this shape is in 4 inches by 3 inches. So let us start decorating this. So at the base here, we are going to stick the piece which was put in the center in the round piece so that it is consistent. Now we are going to stick these. I have cut them into small pieces. So this is the base. Now we are going to draw an outline. For drawing the outline, I am using the golden dory. Now we'll turn it around. So this way we have drawn the outline for Ambi. Now first and the foremost what we are going to do is take it and cut it just next to the lace. Now in this way, see, we have created. Now we will decorate a little more of this using our dory and pink color beads. Now if you want to put a diya here, then you can leave a space here, but I would not want to put a diya onto my rangoli, so I'll cut. So see, now this is done. In the same way, I'm going to create 5 to 6 pieces in the same Ambi shape, and let me show you the entire rangoli. Now I have arranged the rangoli in multiple ways, combining it with beautiful pink tea light candles and tea light holders. This is the lighted version of the rangoli. You can also arrange the rangoli in multiple ways And do let me know which of these ways you found the most attractive and beautiful. Do comment and mention which of these were the best that you liked. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.